Hello everybody, today we are going to go over our Technique Tuesday on stippling. Now stippling is a different way of shading that you may love or you may hate, but today we're going to practice this. It's shading by using dots. Now traditionally it's done in pen, but it can also be done very well with a non-mechanical pencil that is a little bit dull, or a mechanical pencil. And in my combination, I use both. I use the mechanical pencil, created these darker dots, and the traditional pencil created lighter. So you can see the difference in dots that they make right there. And what's nice is this is not only creates a very fun way of shading, but it can be kind of relaxing just to throw dots. You don't actually have to do very hard to stipple. Now, stippling, and I didn't finish that, L-I-N-G, but let's pretend I stippled the whole thing just for time's sake. I kind of ran out of time on getting this done. But for what you're going to do is, just like yesterday, how we did the random shape, come up, draw a shape, and go in, and you will kind of decide where the lights and darks are by where you put your dots. And I'm just kind of filling in most of this area with dots and building up my darks. So I'm not just doing one little dark corner with a million dots and then going from there. Instead, I'm kind of just applying a layer of dots, and then where I want to get darker, so like this area right here will be medium, and this will get a little darker, and then a little darker, and a little darker. So what I'll keep doing is I'll just keep doing, I'll add dots over less and less of an area. So I add the dots everywhere. Now I'll do just more dots only in this area, and you don't have to push very hard. In fact, the harder you push, the faster it's gonna like wear out your hand and hurt a little bit. And then I'll just come in. Sometimes you want to try to avoid like the little swoosh effects. You want just a dot, just a dot, there we go, just a dot without any tails, no comet tails going on. And you can end up creating some very cool shading effects. And it has kind of a newspaper type vibe, and I like to go back in and stipple on background elements, or on things that maybe not, that are meant to look a little bit gritty. And so this effect is really fun. Try it with a few other shapes for your first 15. And believe it or not, it can take 15 minutes to do a shape as small as this triangle. And this triangle is not very big, pencil grip for scale. Try that out and just try to create a corner that is darker, medium, light, but do that with stippling like we did here. All right. Have a good day. Post your images to Google Classroom.